Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Vscode open. Make sure the file language is correct, because comment syntax depends on it. First, select the lines you want, then press Ctrl+/ or CMD+/ to toggle line comments. Once done, use Ctrl+Shift+P and type toggle block comment to wrap code for languages that support it. These steps get you into the commenting workflow fast, so you can see immediate results and avoid wasting time guessing the right syntax. Now you'll refine comments with block comments and multi-cursor edits. For many languages, use Shift+Alt+A to toggle block comments, which is cleaner for large sections. If you need to comment non-contiguous lines, add multiple cursors with Alt+click and type a comment token once. This is faster than repeating actions. Also, consider better comments or similar extensions to color code to-do and fixes. This helps you spot intent and priority. Finish by cleaning up. Use the same toggle shortcuts to uncomment and make sure block delimiters are balanced. Before committing, run a quick build or linter to verify commented code didn't break syntax, because some templating languages use different delimiters. If shortcuts conflict, open keyboard shortcuts and remap them so your workflow stays consistent across machines. Troubleshooting tip: if comments still misbehave, confirm the file's language mode and search for extensions that alter comment behavior. They usually explain why delimiters differ.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.